Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Recently on this channel, we've been talking a lot about this desire by immigration authorities or policymakers here in Thailand generally to attract wealthy individuals, high net worth individuals, whatever you want to call it. Came to my attention in a recent article from ASEAN Now, that's formerly Thai Visa. That's at ASEANnow.com. Article is titled, Plan to Attract 1 Million Foreign Investors Stalls Yet Again. Tax breaks are the sticking point. And quoting directly, and they talk, and we've discussed this in general in many videos, there's discussion about a 10-year visa, there's discussion about even longer term visas and all of these concessions. But quoting directly, however, the sticking point previously reported and now rearing up again is the proposal to have foreigners pay just 17% income tax instead of the usual 35%. They're talking about the progressive tax rate here in Thailand, depending on your situation, but 17% tax at the top slot. And whereas, Thai nationals only have to pay 35%. I think that's going to be probably a bridge too far on this. Again, this is speculation, but I just don't see legislation or regulations coming in that allow foreign nationals to be taxed at a lower rate than Thai nationals in Thailand. It's kind of the inversion of, or it's not the inversion, it's one aspect of territorial taxation. So when a jurisdiction basically says, look, if you're on our territory, you're subject to our tax rules, but at the same time, they also, for example, the UK, other jurisdictions, including Thailand, say, look, if you're outside of our jurisdiction, we really don't have anything to do with you unless what you're doing has some sort of nexus of commerce within our jurisdiction. So I just don't see there being a situation, and this kind of is part and parcel of that. If you're in Thailand, you're subject to Thai tax rules, Thai tax law. I don't know that you're going to be able to overcome political traction against that, because pretty much everybody that would be making the decision on this would be a Thai national. And I can tell you myself, I don't love the idea of a foreign national coming to Thailand and paying less taxes than me. So I don't really see folks that are in a position to legislate on this feeling any differently. Now, how this all plays out sort of remains to be seen. We'll definitely keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.